Hi everyone, my name is Siaosi Veimau. I am the wife of Siaosi Veimau. As you guys know, and I'm sure you read it on Facebook and just heard it from word of mouth, that he's been diagnosed with a lung disease called cystic fibrosis. A cystic fibrosis has to do with your lung, and the cause of it is by the sputum that he has collected and so much phlegm that's clogging up his lungs and his air passageway, and it caused so much inflammation that it put scar tissues on his left lung. So as time went, all of a sudden the fibrosis had transferred to the other lung. So it's been an ongoing process, and we were hoping things were going to improve from there, but it seems like it's been just a downhill process from here on out. Because of his respiratory system, his oxygen level has decreased. He only has, as of now, about 20% of lung capacity that he's able to use every day. And as of now, we don't know what it could be in the next few weeks or the months. So we're asking and we're reaching out to people to see if you guys can help us. As you guys notice, we have a GoFund account that's on Facebook, and then we have an upcoming event that's going to be happening on May 3rd in Chula Vista at Matuas. So we'd like to reach out to everyone near and far. Whatever you can donate, everything adds up. When I did research and got information from doctors, these procedures, the pre and the post, is not cheap. And my insurance, it will only cover as much as they can, and the rest we have to come out of our own pocket. So, and I'm so thankful for those who already participated and came forth and put a lot of their love and support with this. I have no words to say. I'm so speechless. I see the love that's coming through just from all your thoughts and your comments that you have on Facebook. Siaosi still has dreams that he wants to complete in his lifetime. And you guys know Siaosi visualized everything through his dances, through his work with Ramana, with his everyday life activity. Siaosi's always been the leader. He'll make the step forward, and then myself and my kids, we're there behind him to finish that journey that he wants to complete. In his lifetime, he's been to the South Pacific with the Baka journey that he's been doing. He was out there for almost 9 months. It was a spiritual moment for him. Myself, my children, his siblings, we all are reaching out to everyone. Your love is really needed here, and I hope we'll be able to see you guys on our benefit on May 3rd at Matuas. And stay tuned that we are going to have future benefits that will, throughout the whole summer, that will help to reach our goal. Our goal is $100,000, and we do hope to reach that in the next few months. Thank you, everyone.
My name is Lole Veimau, and I'm the son of Siaosi Veimau. My dad was always an outdoors person. He always liked to just go outside to the beach and surf all day if he possibly could. He would go every morning. If he wasn't doing anything else, he'd just be out surfing. Other than that, he'd just be out at the beach working out, running, what else not. And whenever he could, he would spend time with family, bring everyone to the beach and just roast a pig. Just bring everyone together and make sure everyone's happy. Ramana Fitness has been open for about 6 years now. And when he started Ramana, he always wanted to help people with their health and enhance their lifestyles, to change how they are, and always put everyone before himself so he can help them change their lives so they can live life to the fullest. My dad would work from, like, I think it was 5 o'clock in the morning, or he would wake up at 3 and go into work like 4 or 5 in the morning, and he wouldn't be home until 10 o'clock at night or after. It was always just hard seeing him waking up with hardly any sleep, seeing him struggling through the day. I couldn't do anything about it because I'm too young to know what to do. I've been playing rugby for about 8 years now, and the only reason I got into it is my dad. And ever since I stopped playing football because of rugby, and because I loved it so much, and I wouldn't be loving it so much if it wasn't for my dad, and taught me how much of a family sport it is and how much he teaches me about it. I really wouldn't have been anywhere skill-wise without him. He's teaching me everything I know about rugby. He's helped me along through anything, and he's always there to support me in my games. No matter how he feels, he's always there, even with his problems right now. As of right now, I'm the potential candidate for the 2016 Olympics to be a rugby player, and I would like to see my dad be there and see me. Let's step into his slippers and help him for a change.
Hi, my name is Siaosi Veimau. People know me as Cookie, and Siaosi Veimau is my dad. Dance has been a really big part of my dad's life, and he's brought so much love, not just love into it, he's brought everybody together as a family just by dance. And you know, dance has been a part of my life ever since I was 2 because of my parents. My dad has trained under Markeli Iho'omalu and has been to Mary Monarch with my dad. My dad has danced with other groups such as Nonasina, and after that created this group, Kaleonalani. My dad has been putting a lot of his personal life issues and his love into this dance studio, Kaleonalani, and he's put together productions just about his life, and he has this vision that he sees, and he doesn't write it down on paper, he just does it, and it turns out into this beautiful story. It not only comes a part of his personal life experience, but each one of us that's dancing in his production. On a personal level, I want to be able to walk with my dad down the aisle. Every morning he tells me he loves me and kisses me before he goes off to work, and I don't want that to stop. I have many more years with him, and I want to experience each day with his full self and not half of himself right now. He's my mentor to very things outside like rugby and lessons about life, and I'm still young and I still need a lot to learn, and I just need my dad there with me. So with your guys' help, I would love all the love that you guys can give us, and donations, prayers, or whatever is good. I'm reaching out for you guys right now because I think right now I need you guys the most. We'd like to reach out and say thank you to everybody that has put their time and donations into my dad's health.
The journey has just started raising money for him, and we still have a long way to go, and I appreciate it.
So with this journey that he's doing, we want him to see it all the way through to the end. So thank you everyone who has come forward, showing their love, their support. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So please, if you can, step forward. Our goal is to reach $100,000. The medical coverage expenses are not easy. It's out of our hands at this moment. So any cent, dollar you have, extra change, we'd love for you guys to just donate it. And again, we hope to see everyone on May 3rd, and hopefully and soon upcoming benefits that we'll have that will support this cause. Thank you everyone.
We love you, Papa.